Hey YouTube, has life pushed you further downstream than you expected? Well, you're not without a paddle. Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. So it's been brought up in the comments several times about career reinvention, and that is exactly what I'm in the middle of. Maybe you're in the same thing I am. You're in your 40s, 50s, and 60s, and you're seeing down the road that I've got some money, but I don't know if it's going to make it, if it's going to last that long. Is it going to take me to 85, 90 years old? With the rising cost of everything right now, it's hard to determine how long my money's going to last. So I have to reinvent myself. I have to find a career where I can be low impact on my body, still be at home, which would be awesome, and still create an income that I can have along with my Social Security and our annuities. So 3D printing has been on top of my list for a year, and I've been doing it almost a year. And after starting, I realized that, yeah, it can be done. But you can't do it with dragons and these little odd things and cigarette lighter covers and stuff like that. But not that they're not nice, and I do use them, and I print the heck out of everything that I can find. But parts and other types of things like that are helpful to seniors is the is a way for me to go. There's so many different directions that 3D printing can do for you. Maybe you already have printers. Maybe you've been doing this for 10 years. Now is the time to strike. Now is the time to move in and start selling your product. You're ahead of me. You should be already there, and maybe you are. And if you are, please comment below and tell me how to do it, because man, this is not easy, and especially with YouTube. I enjoy coming in every day and leaving some kind of video or doing something, but it takes a lot out of me. I'm 65. I get up at 5 in the morning. I'm at work by 6. I work 9 hours, rush home, take a shower, eat something, and come sit with you. This is my favorite part of the day. It took me all day to get to here. I sit at work and think, what am I going to say to YouTube today? And sometimes it's just a short video like today, just noticing what's in the comments and what you guys are talking about gives me fuel to come in and talk to you. So, are you in the same boat I am, where you have to figure out a way to make your money last longer? I mean, it's not just about me. I could die in 5 or 10 years, but my wife, she'll need to be able to make that money too, right? If I have everything in place, all you have to do is press print, and she should be able to make an income. And that's where I'm shooting for, making sure that she's covered after I die. Well, if you're in the same situation I am and you're having to look for another income, and you're doing that career reinvention thing, leave it in the comments or even just give me a like and let me know. But until a couple days from now, I don't know what I'm going to be printing, but I hope you're printing it with me, because that's what we're doing. We're printing stuff next time, I promise. Thanks, YouTube.